Hello friends, today we will learn how we will create Google Forms or online quizzes. For this we need to open our browser first, as I need the Gmail account which already is there. Already I have opened the Gmail account. Then see, these 9 dots are available on the right corner. We need to click over there and then click on the more from Google. When we will click over here like this, I have clicked over here, the new preface will be open. There it will show you many products, different products related to Google. We need the Google form. As this is opened, we will search Google form from here. So Google form is available under this see all products. See all products, here Google form is available. We will click on this Google form. As we will click on this Google form, it will open the preface like this. New window, it will open like this. Here we need to click on the go to Google Forms. As I will click over here, go to Google Forms, again it will open a new window where Google Forms will be available. See, it is very beneficial for the teachers or for the companies to get the feedback form or to get the orders, to fill the feedback for anything, any company, any institution, or maybe any workshop you are attending. For that you need to fill the form. Or teachers, if they want to create online quizzes, they can create with the help of this. So here different, see this preface opened, different forms are available, different templates are available. We can create the form over here. As one form is already created here, again I'll going to create the form blank quiz. So as I will click on the blank quiz, it will open a blank quiz in front of us where we can type anything. So here name of the school I have to write down. I am writing down ABC Public School. ABC ABC Public School. Here description of the form you can give. I am giving here test 1. You can divide this form in two parts also by using this option add section. If you don't want to create two parts of this form, you can make it directly also, like a school name I have added, test 1 I have added. If you want to add the subject also, you can add the subject. I am going to create this form for the computer subject. Click over here untitled question. You can write down your first question. Who is father of computer? So here I can give the one word answer also. I can give the multiple choice answer also. So anything whatever you want to give, you can give. I am going to give here short answer, single line answer, so they can, students can fill this single line answer. As I'll click on this answer key, so I can fill the answer key also. I can write down the correct answer here, Charles Babbage. So for this question is of how many marks? I have written here 1 point. Done. Then this question is necessary to do or not? If this is compulsory to do, student has to attempt all the question, they have to attempt all the question, then click on the required button. So they will attempt this question, otherwise form will not be submitted. Then add a new question from here, from the plus button. We will add how many alignments are there in Word. So alignments are 2, alignments are 3, alignments are 4, or alignment are 5. So student has to choose the correct answer out of this. So I am giving marking the correct answer. Correct answer is 4. 4 type of alignments are there. So this question also will be evaluated on the 1 mark basis. Click on done. This question is fixed. So I have created only 2 question, or you can create more than that also. When your question paper is created, you can add in another question, you can add another things also, like we can add the picture also, image also, any image you can add, and then you can ask from the student to recognize the picture and choose the correct option. Same as you can add the video also, you can ask from the students, see that video, and based on that video just choose the correct answer. So I have created only 2 questions. So if I want that this is now done, I want to create the setting, these are the settings. If I want that student should opt this paper once only on their mobile phones or on their Gmails, they can opt for once only. If you want, like it can be submitted another response also, like one student has submitted, after that again they can submit it, that option also we have. Then click on the presentation. Here question order we can shuffle, maybe we have 20 question, maybe we have 10 question. You can shuffle these question as many students as they will open, every time that paper questions will be shuffled. Then quizzes, you can click over here. Here also different options are there, but these options are not so important, like make a quiz is there already there immediately after each submission, so it's already selected. So as our answers are given, it will compile the answer key also side by side, it will generate the mark sheet also. Click on save, all these are saved. Then click on send button. As I have clicked on send button, just click on this center one button. On the center one button, this link is generated. You can copy this link and send it to anyone to whom you want to send. Maybe you want to send it to your full class, you can send it. Like here such a long link is created. If you want that link should be short, click on this option shorten URL. So this link is there, copy this link. Now see my WhatsApp is already opened over here. I'll click over there, WhatsApp. I want to send this quiz to one of my student Rohan. So in this message box I will paste this link. As this link is pasted, click over there to send. So this is sent. Now student has to opt this. How they will opt? They will just click on this link. As on this link we have clicked, so we will wait for the window. See here form new window is opened. So here it will open a quiz for the ABC school. Here the ABC public school test 1 computer with the star sign, required fields are coming. Like see, first question is compulsory to attempt, and second with the second question star is not coming. So that second question is not compulsory to attempt. If you want to attempt that question, you can attempt, otherwise you can leave this question also. But we will attempt here both the question. First question answer is Charles Babbage. Second question, how many alignments are there in Word? So alignments are 4. After that submit button is there, click on the submit. So the test will be submitted. See the answer is coming here, your response has been recorded. So whatever answer we have filled, our response is recorded. Click on view score now. As we will click over there, it will show us the correct answer or wrong answer, whatever we have filled over there. According to that we scored 2 out of 2, because 2 question test is only there. So 2 out of 2 questions we have scored. So this is the complete functioning of the Google Forms. Now you can create your Google Forms for your kids, for your students, to whom you want to give, and make your testing procedure easier. clear. There is no need to keep the record of the students also, because as we have created it online, so already we have the option. See, I'll show you one form I have filled only, and here response is coming one. So now click on this response, it will show you the one response. See here, one response it is displaying here. This questions they have attempted and this answer they have attempted like this. So if I want that a student should not opt the test now, like I have already taken this test, so that link should not be valid for more times. So here accepting responses is written, you can click over there. Now it will not accept any response. So whosoever will click on that form link, it will not open over there. Here you can create the spreadsheet also. Suppose many students are there in your class, and it's not easy to keep the record of each and every student, then click on this create spreadsheet. Yes, create a new spreadsheet, create. So it will show you a spreadsheet. Here open, we will click on the open button, and it will show in front of you that with the one record which I have filled. This is displaying there at what time the student has filled the form, how many score he received, what is the answer of his first question, and what is the answer of his second question. Each and everything is displayed very well over here. So now if you understand this, if you already understood all these concepts, how to create the form, how to take the response from that form, then keep just like on that video and share that video, please. Thank you.